Hi, in this video, we will compare Affiliatable and Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin. Both Affiliatable and Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin are WordPress plugins designed for affiliate marketers, but they cater to slightly different needs. Offers a free light version with basic features, like creating product displays and cloaking affiliate links. The paid version unlocks features, like broken link detection, advanced analytics, and conversion tracking. Affiliatable is a great platform for affiliate marketers looking to create tables and product boxes on their website, with different element options and pre-built layouts to choose from. Plus, it's always updated with new stuff to keep things fresh. You can create high-converting product showcases that allow visitors to easily compare features and benefits, driving clicks to your affiliate links. You can save time and effort with customizable templates that ensure your product presentations are visually appealing and match your website style. Gain valuable insights into user behavior with your product presentations. See what resonates with your audience and optimize for better results. Use Affiliatable with any of the affiliate platforms, networks, and programs. Affiliatable offers a free plan forever, and paid plan starts at $9 for one website each month. Affiliatable also provides a 7-day free trial with each plan and a 7-day refund policy. On the other hand, Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin is a tool specifically designed for people who run WordPress websites and participate in the Amazon Associates program. Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin makes it easy to showcase Amazon products on your website. You can create product boxes, comparison tables, and insert product links with ease. Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin automates tasks like importing product data from Amazon, saving you time and effort compared to manually adding product details. Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin is designed to be lightweight and efficient, ensuring it doesn't slow down your website's loading speed. This is crucial for maintaining a good user experience and potentially improving your search engine ranking. Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin can cloak your affiliate links, making them look cleaner and more trustworthy on your website. Instead of long and messy Amazon affiliate URLs, visitors will see links that blend seamlessly with your website's design. As a WordPress plugin, Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin integrates smoothly with your WordPress website. You can easily add product displays using shortcodes or widgets, allowing you to place them strategically on your pages and posts. Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin offers a 30-day free trial with each plan and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Paid plans start at €49 for one website per year. If you want to use both Affiliatable and Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.